Jeremiah 33:3, call to me and I will answer you and tell you great and unsearchable things you do not know. Jeremiah 33:3. Some people think God doesn't answer, but really God really do answer. You just have to seek him with all your heart, and trust me, he will answer you. Everything he did in the Bible, he can do in your life. J'ai aussi écrit ça en français, je dis que Dieu, il écoute aussi il répond. Toi-même, il faut entrer en profondeur pour que tu écoutes sa voix ou bien tu prends tes réponses pour ton prière. Je pense que j'ai dit ça bien en français. Have a good day and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jesus. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Afi Elizabeth. Si c'est ton première fois dans ma page, soyez les bienvenus. Today's video, I'm going to be reviewing what came in the mail today. And it is the Morphe foundation. It's actually the Morphe full coverage fond de teint. Morphe fond de teint couverts d'hôtel. I don't even know if I said that right. And it's supposed to be the matte, it's supposed to be like matte, a matte sort of foundation. And the color that I got is it's F, Jesus, know how to talk, F420, F4.20. So this is the color that I got, and I'm going to be testing this out. And I also got the Morphe Fluidity concealer. So this is a soft matte concealer, matte dokes. I don't know how you say it in French, but that's what I got. And this color is the C3 3.65. J'ai les deux différentes couleurs. Ça c'est le concealer, c'est que je mets en bas de mes yeux, et ça c'est le fond de teint. I didn't want to watch reviews before I do this because I wanted to test it out for myself and give it my own try. I'm going to prime my face, and for my primer I normally use my Milk of Magnesia, and because this is like a mattifying type of primer, Milk of Magnesia is a mattifying primer. The foundation is a matte it's supposed to be matte. It's a matte foundation. I can't talk today. It's a matte foundation, and I don't want to mix my matte primer with my matte foundation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch primers today, and I'm going to use Maybelline primer. I don't even have it with me. I'll be back. And so we back. Je vais utiliser cette primer ici. Comment on dit ça? Base. Je vais utiliser cette base ici. Parce que ça c'est un peu matte. So I'm going to stop talking because I'm talking too much. So we're going to put this on. I think this is matte too, but no, it's not. We're going to put this on the face. So this is supposed to be full coverage. And matte foundation works a lot better with oily skin. And I am a combination to oily skin. So hopefully this works really well on my skin. Let's just pray, okay? Let's just pray. And I'm gonna, yeah, some people don't do this, I do. So just 2 strikes on here and you're out. Whoa, buddy. Is this my skin tone color? Wow, I actually got the right color. I put too much of this, bro. Oh yeah, we put too much of this. We don't know. I mean, this looks kind of too much on camera, but I promise y'all this is my skin tone. I don't know how the light is making it look. Nah, sis, this ain't working. So right now, I don't know if I got the right color or if it's just the foundation, but I don't know. It looks very cakey to me because maybe I didn't get the right color. I don't know. My phone tells everything, so let's see. Okay, so my phone My phone make it seems like I didn't put a lot, so we're gonna continue. I'm gonna give my full review afterwards. So next I got the concealer, which is the Morphe concealer. I've never tried Morphe product. Well, I have their, why would I lie like this? Why? I'd have their brushes and like their palette, and when I heard that they came out with a makeup foundation and stuff, I was quite shocked. But hopefully I like their concealer. Okay, so we're gonna, oh sis, what is going on? Did I get the wrong concealer, bro? I just got the wrong everything. The way this looks on my face, I don't even know if it's the foundation or if it's my skin by itself. I don't know. I feel like it's going, once it's set for the day, I just know for a fact I'm gonna look cakey. I'm sorry, but I can't move on with my makeup because I know for a fact that this foundation is not going to be my foundation, and I can already tell just by how the foundation is sitting on my face. I'm going to have some problems when I'm wearing it throughout the day. It doesn't feel like I have foundation on my face, which is a good thing, but then again I just feel for a fact that I'm going to be creasing, I'm going to have a smile line, and it's going to look cakey. So I can't really say I like this foundation because I don't. I know that foundations such as these, the creamy ones, are always the ones that my skin struggle. I can definitely work with the concealer with a different foundation, but as far as the foundation, I don't think my skin likes this foundation. I just know it's not going to be my it go-to type of foundation, and I don't want to be fake and make a full beat video and get you guys thinking that it's gonna be, you know, maybe I'll end up liking the look. I'm not gonna be fake and do that. I'm just gonna end this video by saying this foundation is not for me. The creaminess of the foundation is not for me. After contouring, it doesn't look as light as I thought it was gonna look, but I know for a fact, just by looking at myself on the camera and taking pictures, I know for a fact that during the day this foundation is not going to look good on my face, because one, my face is going to be creasing during the day, and I'm going to get small lines right here. I like the fact that it's not heavyweight. By heavyweight, I mean I don't feel like my face has any type of foundation on, which is a good thing, because there's some thick foundation, because this does have like some type of thickness to it, the creaminess to it, kind of like Kat Von D. That's the only thing I could compare it to. Like, it's very creamy, and normally when things are this creamy, it's okay for me, but sometimes it's not okay for me. I just feel like, one, it's not full coverage, and if you have dark circles or if you have acne scars, this foundation will not cover that. You're gonna have to conceal with a color corrector or concealer before you use the foundation on your face. Yeah, I know when I smile, because I smile a lot during the day, and I know that compared to my Fenty Beauty, I'm definitely gonna have crease lines after the day, when the day is over. The texture, comment on dit ça en français? Quand je porte ça dans ma figure, ça se voit comme ça, je sens comme si j'ai pas mis les produits dans ma figure, j'ai pas mis les fonds de teint dans ma figure. Mais je sais que si tu as les taches dans ta figure, ça va pas couvrir tout ça. Il faut que tu prends quelque chose comme ça, ou bien les concealers, tu couvres ça pour que ça t'aide à couvrir les taches. I'm just not a fan of it just by trying it for the first time. But I know if I do a nice beat face, which I'm not going to do because I don't like this foundation, it's going to look good, but during the day it's not going to look good. So there you go. You got my opinion on it. As far as the concealer, I am going to say that the concealer, it's okay. I think I'm going to keep the concealer, but I'm going to return the foundation. The concealer is actually okay. I think if I mix this concealer with a different foundation, I'm actually going to like it a lot better than how it looks on my face right now. I don't know what else to say, but Morphe, you tried it. It was good for, I don't know. I just don't think it's for me. If you are dry skin, I definitely would not try this if you are dry skin, because dry skin and matte skin don't go together. But as far as like me personally, it's got to go. Yeah. So if you guys like this review, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what's up, because I'm not going to do my face, full face, because I don't like this foundation. And I'm going to put it back in the box because it's going to be returned tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.